Hello and welcome to another lesson. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to make the turtle in Python draw any irregular polygon. So from the previous lesson, you were asked to write a program that would end up making the turtle draw a triangle, an equilateral triangle. Now, what are the interior angles of an equilateral triangle? If you use the command write 60, you'll notice that what is drawn is not a triangle. So you might have noticed that what is actually drawn is something like this. So here we have code that is not exactly correct. And so let's run this code and see what it does. So notice that we're defining a function called triangle. It accepts an argument or variable called side length. Inside this function, we have a for loop. So we have for I in range 3, so it repeats 3 times. These two lines of code are repeated 3 times. So forward by a certain amount, a certain length, and then the turtle turns 60 degrees to the right. So here is the function being called. So the function expects an input, a certain value for the length of the lines that are going to be drawn. So let's try running this program and see what happens. Yeah, so this is the result that we get. So which is clearly not a triangle. Okay, it looks more like we're drawing a hexagon here, actually, starting to draw a hexagon. So when writing the code, we have to use actually the exterior angle and not the interior angle of the polygon. So the exterior angle is supplementary to the interior angle. So if we want to calculate the exterior angle, we would take 180 degrees and subtract the interior angle. So for any equilateral triangle, the exterior angle is equal to 180 minus 60 degrees, which is 120 degrees. So this turn over here, so when the turtle is moving, and so it's going straight here forward to the right, then it's going to end up turning 120 degrees relative to if we were, let's say, to extend this line over here and measure that angle. If we were to extend this line, that angle would have to be 120 degrees, that exterior angle. And so if we want to correct the code now, going back to our program, this would actually have to be, this angle here would have to be 120 rather than 60. So let's try this again. Running this program, I'm going to save. And now we see an equilateral triangle being drawn by the turtle. So next, what we're going to be looking at is drawing any polygon. So for any polygon, the sum of the exterior angles is always equal to 360 degrees. To find the measure of an exterior angle of a polygon, you would need to divide 360 degrees by the number of sides. In a regular polygon, so a regular polygon is a polygon where all the side lengths are equal and all the angles inside, all the interior angles are equal as well. So in a regular polygon, interior angles are all equal and the exterior angles are also all equal. So what you're going to try to do now is you're going to try to write a function that is able to draw any regular polygon. Okay, and so you're going to call this function reg polygon. So reg underscore polygon. So this function takes a natural number as an argument and makes the turtle draw a regular polygon with a number of sides equal to the natural number inputted. Hint, to set the default side length to 100, add a comma after the sides variable and add side length equals 100. in the argument line like this. Okay, so this is going to be part of your code. So define polygon, except for it's going to be regular polygon. And then size. So there's actually two variables here. So size is one of the variables that is inputted. So whether it's 5-sided or 6-sided, so on. And then comma, and then so the side length is going to be set to 100 pixels in this case. Then make sure you don't forget the colon at the end of the function definition. Okay, so good luck completing this exercise, and we'll go over the solution to this exercise in the next lesson.